What's up everyone? About to pick up a new build. It's a 1987 318i E30. The car's been sitting for over 10 years. It's pretty rough condition. So it's about a 2-hour drive in Belleville, near Belleville actually. And let's see how it looks. Alright, so I finally picked up the car. Got a bunch of rust on it, but it is what it is. It has no windows. The interior was exposed to the environment for like 10 years. Looks like this so far. It's pretty trash. It's all good. We're gonna rebuild it. Alright, finally got the car home. So this is where it's gonna sit. This is where we're gonna get rebuilt. And the car is actually in really bad condition. It's way worse than I thought it would be. But it's all good. It's all gonna be a learning process. And the whole floor pretty much needs to be redone. And that's fine. The front bumper, I'm gonna take it off, throw it away. I'm actually gonna get an M3 bumper because it looks a bit better. The headlights, surprisingly, the headlights are in really good condition. They're not cracked or no damages, so which is really good. However, the grille, there's a little dent right here. I'm gonna try pulling it out. If I can't pull it out, I'm just gonna get a new one. The whole hood seems to be in really good condition, except this little dent. And I think I can fix it. I'm gonna try fixing it. If I can't do it, I'll get a new hood. It doesn't matter. And yeah, the plastic pieces are good. The lights in the front are all good. Obviously, the bumper's gonna go out, so that doesn't matter. This front fender, I'm thinking about changing it to M3 front fender. So, and it's pretty bad right here too, so I'm gonna mess it up. So it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm gonna try changing it to M3. The front door is that's only one door. The front door is pretty good. There's barely any rust. Might need a new door panel though, but that's all good. And the quarter panel, I'm debating on whether fixing this or getting an M3 wide body quarter panel. It's something I could look into. I think ECS tuning carries it for like $600 each, so it's pretty good to be honest. If I look into that. Wheels, super fucked up. The side skirts are gone. There's like barely anything left. So I definitely need new ones. Most likely M3 or M Sport side skirts. And the car is really rusted, as you can see right here. And also with the rear bumper is out. I'm gonna get rid of that and get an M3 bumper. Look at the taillight, it's all shot. I'll look into better taillights. This one is good, but I might just replace both of them to something better. And trunk is fine, to be honest. It has a little bit dents and rust, but nothing I can't fix, so I'll take care of that. This side door is in really good condition too. I just can't open it. I'll figure it out later though. When it comes to the interior, the whole thing is all messed up. Obviously it needs to be redone. And The dash is cracked, all that. I'll take care of that. Probably gonna wrap it around with suede or Alcantara. Same with the headliner. Probably gonna do the whole headliner in black Alcantara or suede, whatever you want to call it. And these seats, I'm actually gonna look for a Recaro BMW seats or whatever, and wrap it around with burgundy leather. Same with the back seats. Obviously new carpets, take care of all the plastics and everything. So the headlights don't seem that bad. Nothing, the filaments is intact and they're actually in good condition. I might still end up changing them to halos, but that's like in future. And the grill, it's not that bad, except little things here and there. What I can do is use some body filler or like a metal putty and powder coat them. I kind of wanted them to be chrome, but I don't think I can fix these things and still have them chrome. And the original plan was to polish them, but black will still look nice. And the plastic fins and plastic trims, they're actually in really good condition. I can restore them easily. The hood doesn't look that bad. Obviously there's a little bit of rust, but like it's actually pretty much surface rust, so I don't think the metal is that bad. And the engine, it just looks bad in the video, but actually, like, if you think about it, it's not in that bad condition. It seems to have most of the stuff still together, so I can probably rebuild it. There was obviously some stuff that's taken out by someone. I think they probably tried to rebuild it, but they couldn't, so they just left it like that. But it's all good. I'm probably gonna take the whole engine out and rebuild it from scratch. It's all good. The whole goal with this car is pretty much to strip everything to the chassis and start from the scratch. I think that's the proper way to do it, and that's the only way to restore this history. The car is 33 years old, so all this stuff is expected. It's nothing surprising. I'm missing a windshield wiper, which is all good. Shouldn't be that much. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. Just pretty much a small introduction for the car. And in the next video, I'm gonna start working on the car, start stripping all the interior out. I'm gonna try starting it. If it starts, that'd be awesome. And we can go from there. See you guys later.